Welcome back. It's great to see you again. Well, you can see me, but I can't see you. But either way, I'm glad you've come back to continue learning about the American accent. Today we're going to talk about minimal pairs. What are minimal pairs? I'm glad I asked. A minimal pair is two words that vary by only a single sound. Usually, they're sounds that can confuse English learners, like the F and V, as in fan and van, or the E and the I sounds, as in desk and disc. So, today's lesson isn't just about speaking, but it's about listening too. Remember, to speak well, you've got to listen well first. I'm going to give you a lesson today that you can come back to and practice to strengthen your speaking and listening skills. Here's how today's lesson is going to work. First, it'll be used to increase your listening skills. I'll say two words together, but then I'll repeat only one of the words. You have to choose which word that you heard twice. For example, rope, robe, rope. Which word did you hear me say twice? It was rope. The answer will be shown to you like this: rope, robe, rope. Today's lesson will only focus on the final stop consonants. You can tune in next time for different minimal pairs. Okay, let's go. The first final consonants are P and B. Remember, listen to two words and choose which word I say twice, and then repeat that word. Here we go. Cap, cab, cap, cup, cub, cub, flap, flab, flab, gap, gab, gap, loop, lube, lube, pup, pub, pub, rope, robe, rope, slap, slab, slap, tap, tab, tap, swap, swab, swab. Great. Now let's move on to the final T and D. Repeat the word that you hear twice. At, add, at, bat, bad, bat, brute, brood, brood, cot, cod, cod, fat, fad, fat, hat, had, hat, pat, pad, pad, sat, sad, sat, set, said, said, suit, sued, sued, wait, weighed, wait. Okay, on to the final K and G. Repeat the word you hear twice. Buck, bug, bug. Flack, flag, flack. Hack, hag, hag. Lock, log, lock. Pick, pig, pig. Shack, shag, shag. Tack, tag, tack. Whack, wag, wag. Wick, wig, wick. Now, let's do the PT sound and the BD sound. These are sounds that are used for the past tense. Repeat the word you hear twice. Road, road, road. Mopped, mobbed, mobbed. Ripped, ribbed, ribbed. Swapped, swabbed, swapped. Looped, lubed, lubed. Napped, nabbed, napped. Tapped, tabbed, tapped. And finally, let's finish with the final sounds KT and GD. Kt and gd. Repeat the words you hear twice. Backed, bagged, backed. Bucked, bugged, bugged. Flopped, flogged, flogged. Lacked, lagged, lacked. Locked, logged, locked. Sacked, sagged, sagged. Snacked, snagged, snacked. Tucked, tugged, tugged. Whacked, wagged, whacked. Great. Well, how did you do? Now, for some extra speaking practice, now that you know the answers, you can back the video up and repeat all of the minimal pairs. Just go back in the video and repeat the first two words as I go through the list. You can also do this exercise with a friend. Just play the video, break down all the minimal pairs, and then you can go down the list saying each pair and repeating one of the words. See if your friend can guess which word you said twice. Have some fun with it. Thanks for watching today. If you would like to have a more personal experience learning the American accent, please come join me in my class at DELC in Watamakai in Patumtani, Thailand. Sign up for an in-class experience or sign up for an online experience with other students. Just click the link in the description below. See you next time. สวัสดีครับ